I personally disapprove of the sentiment that the entertainment provided by automatic binding brick sets is morally justified. No, I certainly disapprove of that sentiment. But I believe that my son, who enjoys racing very much, even though Mark is a businessman, he enjoys racing. I believe he would enjoy the Lego Grand Prix racing scene. Yes, I believe that would bring him a little bit of joy. Yes.
I think that it is crucial that the American people ought to know that my favorite Lego set is the Lego passenger, the Lego passenger train, and because in America we have the best railroads of all time. Now, Mr. Gorbachev, of course, disagrees with me there because he thinks that Soviet railroads are the greatest of all time. Of course, I contradicted him there, but obviously that is not a problem, of course, as long as we both agree on the fact that the best Lego set ever released is the Lego passenger train.
Ooh. Yeah, hi, hello there. It's lovely to be here, isn't it? Oh, who are you? Yeah, hi there. Hello. All right, I need to get a drink. Can you give me some with a drink, please? I'm really thirsty.
Sir, you can get some Pepsi over here.
Yeah, thanks. That's very kind of you. I love branding. I love the branding. Oh, hi there. Hi, yeah. I got something between my teeth.
So, I really wanted to ask you whether you have some advice on my love relationships.
Really? You know, personally, I think the loveliest little Lego set that I've ever seen is the small riding lesson. I love Barracuda Bay.